G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the links and we're happy to help you out. Okay, so we're all done. The roof's back on, and yeah, so all the anti-cons in place, and I painted over the Sikaflex that was on here, so those joins were Sikaflexed up to start with, and instead of using a cap, so I couldn't do much about that but just re-Sikaflex them. So but at least I painted them this time, and the paint will just help give the Sikaflex a bit more UV rating. And the whole roof's back down, and painted over all of these, obviously, and even painted that little bit that's down there. We cleaned all the gutters out, so the gutters are clean. We picked up all the screws from around in the gutters, because the previous roofer didn't get rid of all the screws, and yeah, so now the valleys are all clean, the gutters are clean, and we're out of here.